video of yes, yeah, because I was not able to இது என்னுடைய ப்ராப்ளமா இல்லையா? நமஸ்காரம் மேம்.
Ma'am, shall we start, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am.
Megla, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Good evening to all. We welcome you all to the DBT Star College Scheme sponsored outreach program on yoga. Prayer is when you talk to God. Meditation is when you listen to God. Let's start the session with a prayer song.
Shanti, Shanti, Shanti. Om Sahana Bhavatu, Sahana Bhunatu, Sahaviryam Karavavai, Tejasvinavaditamasto, Mamishavai. Om Shanti, Shanti, Shanti.
Small cheer and great welcome makes the learning as a beautiful event. I would like to call Dr. R. Padmapriya ma'am to welcome the gathering.
Thank you, ma'am. Respected chief guests, teachers from government schools and other sectors, faculty members from other and our institutions, students, good evening to all. Yoga is an ancient activity and discipline. It is related to achieving physical, mental and spiritual health. It includes various postures, chants, mantras and meditation. It also includes breathing exercises. It helps to relax and calm the mind and soul. It helps to reduce the daily stress level and live a healthier life. It ensures that the body functions properly and is illness free. I welcome our chief guest, Ms. Veena Sanoj ma'am, to teach us yoga and strengthen our inner mind. I once again welcome you all to the function. Welcome you, ma'am.
To be inspired is great, but to be an inspiration is an honor. I would like to call Dr. B. Jayanti ma'am to introduce the chief guest.
Good evening to one and all. It's my pleasure to introduce our today's guest, Madam Veena Sanoj. She is a yoga teacher. She is also a painter and column writer. She has been practicing yoga for more than 18 years and has learned from various gurus in yoga and meditation. She has learned the practices from Shivananda Yoga Ashram, Bodhi Yoga Academy, and Isha Yoga Center. She has done her basic education in BCom with MBA in HR. She conducts yoga practices for various schools, NGOs, etc. She also runs a yoga studio called Prana My Patient. Madam, we are very happy and thankful for accepting our invitation. Welcome you, ma'am. Once again, I welcome all. And now I'm handing over the session to our yoga guru. Yes, ma'am.
Thank you all. Thank you, Dr. Jayanti ma'am, for giving me this beautiful opportunity for introducing an awareness about yoga. Yeah.
Thank you, ma'am. Let me introduce Madam Padma Priya, HOD of BCA department. She is organizing this session, ma'am. Madam Padma Priya, just can you please unmute your video, madam?
Namaskaram, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, shall we start this session, ma'am?
Yes, ma'am. Can we start, ma'am?
Okay, ma'am.
Okay, thank you. Thank you all. So, Jayanti ma'am already told about me. So,
Yes, ma'am.
yoga is a beautiful spiritual journey, right? This is not only an asana or exercise. This is a beautiful spiritual journey. So we have to take it as a spiritual journey. So you will get everything from yoga. Okay. I just wanted to give small introduction about yoga. I know everyone is know about what is yoga and all, but this is my I have to tell about yoga, right? So we have 4 types of yoga are there. Everyone knows that Raja Yoga, Jnana Yoga, Karma Yoga, and Bhakti Yoga. Okay, so in this, from this Raja Yoga is called Ashtanga Yoga. This is coming from Patanjali Maharshi's Yoga Sutra. And you know what is Karma Yoga? Karma Yoga is your action. That is, what is your action? Some people will think about I will do only nalla karyam mattumthaan seyyum, nallathu mattumthaan sollum, nallathu mattumthaan pesum. Aditha Karma Yoga. They only do the good karmas. And Bhakti Yoga. Bhakti Yoga is like Mirabai. நம்ம மீராபாய் எப்படி இருந்தது அந்த மாதிரி Bhakti Yoga. And Jnana Yoga is like Vivekananda and all jnanis or wisdom. That is Jnana Yoga. And here, what in the காலத்துல வந்து Raja Yoga is more famous because Raja Yoga வந்து Ashtanga Yoga. This is more வந்து asanas, pranayama, dhyana, இந்த மாதிரி 8 limbs இருக்கு. Patanjali Maharshi in a structured way he has written for நம்ம மாதிரி சின்ன ஆளுகளுக்கு, நம்ம மாதிரி ஒண்ணுமே தெரியாத ஆளுகளுக்கு நல்லா தெரிஞ்சு வைக்கணும் அப்படின்னு நினைச்சிட்டு Ashtanga Yoga எழுதி வச்சது. So from this Ashtanga Yoga, all this asana, pranayama, dharana, dhyana, everything came. Okay. So today we are discussing about pranayama, asana, and dhyana. Okay. So this pranayama, there is 8 limbs, 8 angas irukku in Ashtanga Yoga. One is yama, niyama, asana, pranayama, dharana, dhyana, samadhi. All these pratyahara, dharana, dhyana, samadhi. All in this, all 8 angas. Asana is only the 3rd limb. First one is yama. Yama means public commitment. You have to commit with the public. Next one is dharana, dhyana, yama, niyama. Second one is niyama. Niyama is self-commitment. You have to make self-commitment. Secondly, then you can do asana for your physical well-being. Asanas will help you to strengthen your body, your all the organs, nama ullile ella organs, nama ella muscles, ella joints, even our brain will support with the asana. Apram pranayama vande nama breathing, controlling the breathing. Prana means it is a Sanskrit word. Control. Prana means life force energy, and the ayama means controlling. That means namma life force energy prana Tamil there is no that much difference from Sanskrit. So everyone knows Sanskrit also little bit, right? I know that because Tamil is more near to Sanskrit. It's a beautiful subject is Tamil. So we know prana means pranam poi, prana went from the body. That means that is not oxygen. Prana is something else. We are taking oxygen inside. We are taking prana along with the oxygen. In the human body, we have 72,000 nadis are there in human body, in yogic science. Okay, so we are clearing all these nadis with our pranayama practices. That is doing pranayama. And dhyana. Dhyana is for actually samadhi. So samadhi is the last step. So when we reach samadhi, we can realize God. Samadhi is not death. That is, we are realizing who is God, what is God. That is samadhi. So the path is all the steps are coming to the samadhi. So yoga is just not only a word, it is a beautiful spiritual journey. Okay, so we can start our today's session. Everyone's video is off. If possible, எல்லாருமே on பண்ணி வச்சிட்டானா எனக்கு நல்லா இன்டராக்டிவ் ஆகும். அப்புறம் செய்யுന്നത് கரெக்டான தெரியும். எனக்கு தமிழ நான் தமிழன் அல்ல, பட் I'm in Chennai. So கொஞ்சம் தமிழ் தெரியும். ஆனா கேட்டா நல்லா புரியும். கொஞ்சம் ஷெமிச்சிடுங்க, மன்னிச்சிடுங்க if there is any mistake, but I will speak in Tamil only. Okay.
Okay, ma'am.
Please, if it's possible, please switch on your camera. Okay. Sit straight. Spine erect. Lengthening your spine, stretch your spine. You are just sitting straight. Okay, we are not நம்ம இப்படியே இருக்கல. ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டா இருந்தா நம்ம சுஷுப்னா நாடி, ஸ்பைனல் கார்டு, oxygen intake, oxygen will flow very easily. Prana will flow, oxygen and along with the oxygen, prana will flow very easily. அதுக்காக நம்ம sit straight அப்படி எப்பவுமே ஆசனா and பிராணாயாமா தியானா பண்ணும்போது ஸ்ட்ரெயிட்டா இருக்கணும் அப்படி சொல்லுது. ஓகே, நம்ம இப்படி ஹஞ்ச் பண்ணி இருந்துட்டானா நம்ம பிராணா ஸ்மூத்தாയി ஃப்ளோ ஆகாது. அதுதான் அப்படி சொல்றேன். ஓகே, சிட் ஸ்ட்ரெயிட், ஜென்டில் ஸ்மைல், பியூட்டிஃபுல் ஸ்மைல். ஓகே, ரெண்டு கையும் அப்படி தொடையிலும் டுவர்ட்ஸ் தி ஸ்கை, ஓபன் டுவர்ட்ஸ் தி ஸ்கை. ரிலாக்ஸ், ஷோல்டர் ரிலாக்ஸ். Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Get ready for our sadhana. Take a deep breath in and out. Take a deep breath in and out. One more deep breath. With the exhalation, all the tensions, all the worries, எல்லாமே வெளியே தூக்கிடுங்க. With the exhalation, relax yourself. Now, 3 times Omkara mantra. Take a deep breath in. When you exhale, chant Om. Open your mouth and chant Om. Okay. Take a deep breath in. Rub your palms. ரெண்டு கையும் அப்படியே rub it. Rub it. Heat generate பண்ணுங்க. Rub your palms. Now cover on your eyes. கண்ணு மூடி வச்சிடுங்க. Now open your eyes. The beautiful smile. Very good. Thank you. Thank you for joining today for the session. Once again, I'm telling you thanks because it's a beautiful journey. So you should start from today this beautiful journey. It's a beautiful experience. Okay. We can start our pranayama. Okay. So pranayama, first pranayama is Bhastrika. Mute பண்ணுங்க. Okay. First pranayama is Bhastrika pranayama. For this, you should straight இருக்கணும். அப்படியே ரெண்டு கையும் loose fist பண்ணி in front of your shoulder. இப்படி loose fist. இப்படி லூஸா பண்ணி வச்சிட்டு first watch, then you can start. Okay. இது pranayama Bhastrika பண்ணும்போது கண்ணை மூடி வைக்கணும். இப்போ கொஞ்சம் பாருங்க. When you inhale, raise your hands up, open your fingers. Okay. Now exhale forcefully down. Inhale up, exhale forcefully down. Inhale up. Elbow should be, you should stretch your elbow towards the sky. Okay. Should not do like this. You should stretch your elbow, then forcefully towards ribcage. Here. Should not go like this or should not go like this. It should come till here. Okay.
Ma'am?
Yes.
Ma'am, one doubt, ma'am. When we are doing the Bhastrika, we have to in the position Vajrasana, ma'am. Is
Yes.
it needed?
Yes, that is not important. That is not compulsory because most of the persons have knee problem. If they are facing knee problem, they are not able to sit in Vajrasana. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Okay.
Yeah. So if anyone is able to sit in Vajrasana, they can sit in Vajrasana. I will show. But this is also absolutely fine sitting in Sukhasana and doing Bhastrika. Okay. So sitting in Vajrasana, if you have any knee problem, it will hurt you. Okay. That's why I didn't tell. Thank you, ma'am. Yeah. So 20 count we are doing this. 20 count 3 times. Okay. Every 20 count we will keep our hands on our thighs, then we'll relax. You are not going to opening your eyes. Nama kanna open pannale, அப்படியே மூடி வச்சிட்டு relax பண்ணும். Then we'll start second round. Okay. Now, if you are able to sit in Vajrasana, you can kneel down and sit like this. Okay. Then you can do Bhastrika. If you are able to sit in Vajrasana, or you can sit in Sukhasana also. Okay. Yes. Try to sit in Vajrasana, but we are doing 3 rounds. So all the stretch we have to sit in Vajrasana. So the main thing is your spine should be erect. So if you are sitting in Vajrasana, automatically your spine will be erect. That is the way they are telling you should sit in Vajrasana. Okay. So nama Sukhasana irukkumpodhu spine erect aakki vekkana paravalla. Okay. Sit straight. Loose fist in front of your shoulder. Now close your eyes. Breathe in, up. Lift your hands up. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Okay, continue in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 11, in 12, in 13, in 14, in 15, in 16, in 17, in 18, in 19, in 20. Relax your hands on your thighs. Continuously close your eyes. Relax. Feel the warmness from your body. Body in the warmness feel பண்ணுங்க. Changes feel பண்ணுங்க. Second round. In position, loose fist in front of your shoulder. In 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 11, in 12, in 13, in 14, in 15, in 16, in 17, in 18, in 19, in 20. Relax your hands. Continuously close your eyes. Relax. Third round. Loose fist in front of your shoulder. In 1, in 2, in 3, in 4, in 5, in 6, in 7, in 8, in 9, in 10, in 11, in 12, in 13, in 14, in 15, in 16, in 17, in 18, in 19, in 20. Relax. Relax your hands, relax your body, relax your mind. Normally breathe in, breathe out. When you are comfortable with the breathe in, breathe out, you can come back to Sukhasana. Whoever are sitting in Vajrasana, slowly you can come to Sukhasana. Okay. So one more thing, when you are breathe, I told in 1, that means inhalation. The forceful exhalation should come. Okay. Okay. So when you practice yourself, it's like Bhastrika Pranayama is an energizing pranayama. Okay. So it will energize your whole body from the beginning. Okay. So now for this balancing this Bhastrika Pranayama, we can do normal bird pranayama. So both the hands on your mat, then sit straight, look forward. When you are breathing, slowly breathe in, breathe out, breathe in. Okay, like that. We'll start. Both the hands besides you. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very slowly and gently. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. 2 more times. Breathe in. Breathe out. Last one. Breathe in. Breathe out. Very good. Very good. So this is called bird pranayama. So after Bhastrika, you can do this pranayama. But we have many other pranayamas are there. We can try one more pranayama. That is, we are breathing with the nostril. Nostril breathe in பண்ணிட்டு breathe out பண்ணும்போது lips வந்து இப்படி oval shape ஆகும். Exhaling with the lip oval shape பண்ணிட்டு okay, like that. Breathe in nostril, breathe out mouth வந்து இப்படி oval shape ஆயிடும். Breathe out. அப்படி ஃபுல்லா ஓபன் பண்ணல, பைப் மாதிரி இப்படி ரவுண்ட் பண்ணிட்டு exhalation with that. Okay. So sit straight. Again, whatever pranayama you do, ஏது pranayama பண்ணும் போதும் கண்ணு மூடிட்டு பண்ணணும். Okay. Okay. Close your eyes. Both the hands on your thighs in chin mudra. In the pointing finger, thumb finger touching together. Chin mudra. Okay. On your thighs towards the sky. Close your eyes. Relax your shoulder. Yes. Breathe in with the nostril. Breathe out with the mouth, making oval shape. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Two more round. Breathe in. Breathe out. Breathe in. Breathe out. Slowly and gently. Take your own time. You can slowly open your eyes. Okay. This pranayama we can do 9 times. That is the starting. Then இது வந்து அப்படி ஸ்டார்டிங் வந்து 9 times. அப்புறம் இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். எவ்வளோ வேணாலும் இன்க்ரீஸ் பண்ணிக்கலாம். There is no limit. Okay. பஸ்திரிகா அப்படி 20 20 20 அந்த மாதிரி பண்ணலாம். Okay. Then and one more pranayama we can see, that is very common pranayama, Nadi Shodhana pranayama. Okay. That is Anulom Vilom. It also called Anulom Vilom. Nadi Shodhana pranayama. This is cleansing the nadis. This particular Nadi Shodhana, cleansing the nadis. அது வந்து நான் சொல்லி 72,000 nadis இருக்கு நம்ம human bodyல. அந்த 72,000 nadisல ஏதாவது ஒரு பிளாக் இருக்கானா with this particular pranayama, all the pranayama help பண்ணும். ஆனா இந்த நாடி சோதனா pranayama வந்து it will support your all the nadis. ஏதாவது ஒரு blockage இருக்கானா continuous practice of this pranayama, continuous இந்த pranayama practice பண்ணிட்டானா நம்ம நாடிஸ் எல்லாம் பிளாக்கும் மாறி அந்த நல்ல பிராணா கரெக்டா இன்டேக் போகும் நம்ம உள்ளேக்கு. ஓகே. So for this particular pranayama we are keeping our left hand in chin mudra towards the sky on your thighs. Right hand called Vishnu mudra, in the pointing finger and the middle finger down in the madri. Okay. Got it? Vishnu mudra. Then நம்ம இந்த thumb இல்லையா பெரிய விரல் வந்து right nostril இந்த ring finger வந்து left nostril யூஸ் பண்ணும். Okay. Right. So we are keeping like that and we can support your elbow வந்து bodyல support பண்ணிக்கலாம். Okay. So we are closing our eyes and when you are inhaling, always we are starting with the left nostril for Nadi Shodhana. So inhaling with the left nostril and close the left nostril with the ring finger and exhaling with the right nostril. Now, okay, got it? Inhaling with the left nostril and close the left, exhaling with the right nostril. Now inhaling with the right, close the right, open the left, exhaling with the left. Inhaling with the left, close the left, exhaling with the right. Inhaling with the right, close the right, exhaling with the left. This is the process. Got it? Okay. ஏதாவது டவுட் இருக்கானா அன்மியூட் பண்ணி கேக்குங்க. Okay, we can start. In position, Chin Mudra, and the right hand is in Vishnu Mudra. Sit straight, look forward, close your eyes. Do Nadi Shodhana. Always start left nostril. Inhaling with the left, close the left. Exhaling with the right. Inhaling with the right, close the right. Exhaling with the left. Inhaling with the left, close, exhaling right, inhaling right, exhale left, inhale left, exhale right. Continue very. It's not a forceful பண்ணக்கூடாது. Soft breathe in, breathe out. ரொம்ப மெதுவா soft breathe in, breathe out. Concentrate on your breathe in, breathe out. Continue the process. Continue. Just concentrate on your breathe in, breathe out. Continue. 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 Normal breathe in, breathe out. Just closing our nostril and opening our nostrils. Now slowly and gently take it as the last round up பண்ணுங்க. Left nostril கூட last. Inhaling with the left nostril. Now you can stop. Very slowly you can stop. Very good. So this Nadi Shodhana Pranayama beginners நம்ம வந்து 4 minute start பண்ணலாம். Okay, so make it as an alarm வச்சுட்டு 4 minute alarm பண்ணிட்டு Nadi Shodhana practice பண்ணலாம். So when your alarm off ஆகும்போது நமக்கு வந்து time அப்போ செக் பண்ண வேண்டாம். At least 4 minutes செஞ்சிட்டானா ரொம்ப ரிலாக்ஸ் ஆகும். It's very good tension relieving pranayama, and not only the tension relieving, all the stress, and you feel very light and the madri feel பண்ணும். If you are practicing more than 20 minutes, okay, you can increase by மெதுவா timing increase பண்ணலாம். First start with 4 minutes. Okay, yes, now we can start our asanas. So before doing, just give some warm up for our neck. Okay, so chin to the chest. Inhale, take your head up. Exhale to the chest. 2 more round. Inhale up. Exhale to the chest. 1 more round. Inhale up. Exhale to the chest. Inhale, center. Exhale, look towards right. Inhale, center. Look towards left. Left side பாக்குங்க. Left side. Inhale, center. Exhale, right. Inhale, center. Exhale, left. Inhale, center, and relax. When I say inhale and exhale, you should do inhalation and exhalation. Because if you are not doing inhalation and exhalation, it is not yogasana. That is called just an exercise. Okay. So inhalation and exhalation is must in yogasana. Okay. Yes. Now we can rotate our neck, chin to the chest. Rotate our neck very slowly and gently. Inhale up. When you come down, கீழ வரும்போது exhale. மேலே போகும்போது inhale. 2 times, opposite direction 2 times. Do it opposite direction also. 2 round, opposite direction. Very slowly and gently. Feel the rotation. Yes. Very good. Now stretch your hands forward. இப்படி stretch பண்ணுங்க frontல. Now rotate, wrist rotation. So rotate your wrist, open fingers. Rotate, open. Rotate, open. Opposite direction. Rotate, open. Rotate, open. Rotate, open. Very good. Yes. Now both the hands knee பண்ணிட்டு shoulder rotation. Rotate your shoulder 2 round. Opposite direction 2 round. Very good. Yes. Now slowly stretch your legs forward. Very slowly stretch your legs. Stretch your legs. Slowly stretch legs. Yes. Now tap your knee. இந்த மாதிரி tap பண்ணுங்க. Tap your knee. Yes, very good. Relax. Relax. Now rotate your ankle, angle rotation. 2 times opposite direction, 2 times. Again, next leg, 2 times opposite direction, 2 times. Fingers close பண்ணுங்க, open பண்ணுங்க. Fingers close, open, close, open, close, open. Very good. Relax, relax. Yes. Now, slowly, from here we are starting our asana. Sitting Sukhasana. Sukhasana means normal cross-leg posture. Sitting Sukhasana. Okay, all the ankles are warmed up now. Now we can start our asanas. First one is Parvatasana. Okay, this is very good for our spine. In yoga, in yogic science, in Ayurveda, we say that if your spine is healthy, you are healthy. Okay, it's like you are as young as your spine is healthy. Namma young ஆயிருக்கிறது வந்து நம்ம ஸ்பைன் ஹெல்த்தியாயி இருக்கிற காலத்தோட நம்ம யங்கா இருக்கும். அது ஒரு ஆயுர்வேத டாக் இருக்கு. So the spine is very important. Okay, so today we are looking நம்ம வந்து spine, lower spine, upper spine, joints, asanas ஜாஸ்தி கான்சென்ட்ரேட் பண்ணும். Okay, so sitting Sukhasana. First one is Parvatasana, very simple asana. We did bird pranayama. It's just like that. So both the hands matly vechittu. When you breathe in, raise your hands up in Namaskara Mudra. Both the palms together. Okay, stretch up, stretch up, stretch up. Both the hands together. Elbow straight. Elbow straight. Do not bend your elbow. Stretch பண்ணுங்க towards the sky. Spine should be stretched. It should stretch towards the sky. It's like somebody is pulling you towards the sky. யாரோ வந்து மேலேக்கு கை வலிச்சு எடுக்கிற மாதிரி ஃபீல் பண்ணணும். Stretch, stretch, stretch. This is the final posture. When you are in final posture, normal breathe in, breathe out. Now exhale down. Very slowly and gently exhale down. 2 more round. Inhale. Raise your hands towards the sky in Namaskara Mudra. Stretch, 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 stretch your spine. Stretch your hands towards the sky. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Elbow straight. Akshaya ma'am, elbow straight. Yes. Exhale very slowly. Very good. One more round. Inhale, raise your hands up in Namaskara Mudra. Stretch towards the sky. Normal breathe in, breathe out in the final posture. Stretch, stretch, stretch. Exhale. Hold the way down. Very good. This is very good for our hamstrings and as well as the spine. Called Parvatasana. Now, slowly stretch your legs forward. Okay. Both the legs together, touching together. Fingers pointing towards you. Fingers நம்ம சைடுலக்கு இப்படி stretch பண்ணுங்க. Okay. அப்புறம் both the hands hip sideல press பண்ணுங்க. Shoulder palms வந்து ஒரே லைன்ல வரணும். Shoulder palms வந்து ஒரே line. Look forward, straight look பண்ணுங்க. Sit straight. This is called Dandasana. This is perfect asana for perfecting your sitting posture. Dandasana. You should not go lean back or lean forward. You should sit straight. Dandasana. Kaal viral vandu pointing towards you. Sit. It is very difficult if you are sitting in perfect posture. And relax, relax, relax your legs, hands. Now take your both the legs. Heel வந்து இப்படி நம்ம growing partல கொண்டு வந்திருக்கீங்க. Bandha Konasana இந்த மாதிரி. Yes. Now interlock your fingers on your toes. Yes. Sit straight. Sit straight. Yes, Bandha Konasana. In the asana vandha for ladies is very important. If you are facing any difficulties for our monthly period, regular period, if you are practicing this particular asana regularly for 20 minutes, it's very helpful. Also, it will help you to reduce the period cramps. Nama monthly cycle le period cramps. Pain வந்து reduce பண்ணும் Bandha Konasana, and also is very good for somebody is looking for the child, for planning for carrying. This is very good asana, Bandha Konasana and Titali Asana. Attached one, you are just tapping our knees, butterfly. Shalabam madri and the madri பண்ணிட்டே இருக்கும். இது 30 count தொட்டு 50 வரைக்கும் நமக்கு பண்ணலாம். இது வந்து ரொம்ப ஹெல்ப்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கும் லேடிஸ்க்கு. And menopause, if we are in our menopause stage, after 45 50 we will face that. So in that stage also this particular asana is very good. Bandha Konasana and Titali Asana. We can tap up and down, vigorously up and down, up and down. So our growing area will be generated. Yes. Now relax. Slowly relax and slowly stretch your legs forward. Very slowly, because we bend panni vechirukkalle. Very slowly stretch. Yes. Very good. Very good. Yes. Now lie on your back. Next one is we are lying on our back. Okay. Pavanamuktasana. This is for releasing our gas. Any acidic problem or any acidity problem, for releasing that Pavanamuktasana. So breathing, breathe out is very important. Okay. When you are breathing, take your both the legs, bend your legs towards the chest. Now interlocking the fingers and pressing your knee towards your chest and raising your, while exhaling, exhale பண்ணும்போது raise your head up and try to touch your forehead or chin on your knee. Okay. Hold the posture. Normal breathe in, breathe out in the final posture. Do it. Do it. Yes. We are not moving. Okay. Yes. Do it one more time. Inhale. Bend your knee towards the chest. Exhale, raise up, head up. Exhale, yes, very good, Aksharaji. Yes, press your knee towards the chest, press. Nice press. Very good for your lower back pain also. And for releasing the gas, releasing the unwanted gas from our stomach. It is very good. And exhale and release. One more time. Inhale, bend your knee. When you exhale, head up. Exhalation, head up. When you are in the final posture, you can do normal breath in, breath out. Press your knee towards your chest. Okay. Got it? This is called Pavana Muktasana. Right. So you can do Ekapada Pavana Muktasana also. Okay. So Ardha Pavana Muktasana also you can do like one leg. Raising, exhale and do like this. And exhale down. Inhale. Exhale and touch. Okay. So both the one leg also you can do this particular asana. Ardha Pavana Muktasana and Purna Pavana Muktasana. Okay. So same way we are taking namma oru kaalu mattum edukku. Adha. Ini lie on your stomach. Lie on your stomach. Stretch your hands forward. ரெண்டு கையும் straight ஆ stretch பண்ணுங்க. ரெண்டு கையும் straight ஆ stretch பண்ணுங்க. Chin matல வச்சுக்கீங்க. Chin matல வச்சுக்கீங்க. And both the legs together. ரெண்டு காலும் touching together. Toes touching together. Both the legs, both the hands stretching. Yes, toes pointing out. Both the legs touching together. Stretch your legs backward. Stretch your hands and chin on the mat. Stretch. Give a nice stretch. This is for your low back. If you are facing any back pain, this is very good. You can stay here for 30 seconds. Okay, from here, come to Sarala Bhujangasana. This is also for our lower spine. For Sarala Bhujangasana, bend your elbow like this. Just down your shoulder. Okay, like this. And looking down. You should not look up, just looking down. Or just chin up. And if you have any severe back pain, you should not stretch your head up. Just look down. Or if you are not facing any lower back pain, you can just lift your chin little bit. Both the legs together. ரெண்டு காலும் touch பண்ணனும், stretch பண்ணனும் back leg. இல்லனா அந்த feel கிடைக்காது. Okay, stretch your legs back. Good stretch. This is very good for lower back pain and upper back pain also. Okay, this is called Sarala Bhujangasana. Very minor one. And now we are going to do Bhujangasana. This is very perfect asana for the back pain and spine issue. So both the hands near your chest like this. Okay. Now elbow இப்படி வெளியே போக கூடாது.
Ma'am, your audio is not able to hear.
Now? Yes.
Yes, ma'am, yes.
Okay. Yes. So both the hands besides your chest, elbow should be touch your rib cage. It should be touch your. Now inhale, raise up. till your navel. Till your navel. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. Inhale up. Exhale down. This is called Bhujangasana. So we are just raising till our navel. We are not raising completely. Till our navel. You should bend your elbow. Elbow should not straight. You should bend your elbow towards your rib cage. Okay, just raising up till here. And exhaling down. Okay. Now rest in Magarasana. Like both the hands. ரெண்டு கையிலும் ரெஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க. தலை வச்சுட்டு ரெஸ்ட் பண்ணுங்க. Yes, very good. Now raise up. இப்படி table pose. This is called table pose, Marjariasana. இந்த மாதிரி வாங்க. ரெண்டு நீயும் spread பண்ணி வச்சுக்கீங்க. Palms and shoulder in one line. Palm and shoulder in one line. This is the position. Now we are going to do Marjari Pittaliyasana, cat and cow pose. This is very good for back as well as if you are facing any thyroid problems. It will help you to support. Okay. Inhale. When you inhale, look up. Exhale பண்ணும்போது arch பண்ணணும் இந்த மாதிரி. Okay. Inhale. Look up. Exhale. Arch. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Inhale. Exhale. Now, stretch your hands forward and sit in Shishwasana, Balasana, like this. Sit on your heel. Full weight on it. You can spread your knee little bit and stretch your hands forward, forehead on the floor, like this. This is transition asana. From here, what we are going to do, come to again Marjariasana. Table, then tuck your toes in. இப்படி காலை பிரஸ் பண்ணிட்டு மெதுவா இப்படி போங்க. Okay, now slowly walk forward. பைய ஃப்ரண்ட்லுக்கு walk forward towards your hand. Yes. Now slowly stand up. Very slowly stand up. Very good. Very good. So we can do standing asana. If you have any doubt after the session, we can clear it. Okay. Then the next one is Urdhva Tadasana. So both the legs together. Rendu kaalum close together, touching together. Okay. When you inhale, raise your hands up. Interlock your fingers. Interlock. Both the hands interlock. Interlock. And open to the sky. Now, like this. இந்த மாதிரி open பண்ணலாம். Like this. Open towards the sky. We are interlocking, then open towards the sky. Okay. Both the legs together. Inhale. Interlock, open towards the sky. Now stand on your toes. விரல்ல நிக்கீங்க, கால் விரல்ல நிக்கீங்க. Stretch towards the sky, all the way up. Stretch, 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 stretch. Exhale on your head. Hands on your head. Urdhva Tadasana, very good spine asana. Inhale up. Stretch your hands. Interlock and open towards the sky. Exhale on your head. One more time. Inhale. And exhale. Stretch towards the sky. Normal breathing, breathe out. Exhale on your head. And relax your hands. Relax. Yes, this is called Urdhva Tadasana. Okay. Next one is Piriyak Tadasana for our spine. Sides of the spine twist. So both the legs comfortably apart, like shoulder apart. Okay, shoulder length spread பண்ணி வச்சிட்டீங்க. Okay, when you inhale, stretch your hands forward. Then exhale பண்ணும்போது இப்படி turn பண்ணிட்டு left right sideக்கு turn பண்ணும்போது left hand வந்து right chestலும் right hand வந்து இப்படி பண்ணணும். Okay. Inhale, center. Exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale. Continue. Padma Priya ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Correct, ma'am. Inhale and exhale. Like this. Okay. Inhale, exhale. Inhale, exhale, like this. Okay. Yes. So hand should be on your chest. If you are turning right side like turn பண்ணும்போது left hand வந்து left chest ல வைக்கலாம். Right hand இப்படி பின்னாடி வைக்கலாம். Then inhale center, exhale left side க்கு போகும்போது right hand left ல. நம்ம இப்படி அந்த ஃப்ளோல போயா கிடக்கும். சும்மா இப்படி பண்ணி பாருங்க. கரெக்ட். அதான். Now twist. Inhale and exhale. Always remember when you are twisting your spine, you should exhale. Otherwise, air will get blocked inside your chest. Okay. So you should exhale. Inhale and exhale. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Nice twist. Inhale, center. Exhale, twist. Always remember when you twist, exhalation. When you are going down, exhalation. Just remember that normal thing also when you are going to take something from the nama oru karyam கீழே நின்னு தூக்க போன்னு நினைக்கிறேன். அந்த டைம்லயும் எக்ஸேல் பண்ணிட்டு தூக்கணும். இல்லனா ஸ்பைன் வந்து பிடிச்சிடும். Okay. The small things we can make it perfect. Okay. So this is Piriyak Tadasana. Now both the legs spread wide apart. In front of your chest, Namaskara Mudra. Okay. You can sit straight in Malasana. This is very good for ladies, for your uterus, also for your body, maintaining. Sit straight in Malasana. When you sit straight, you can spread your knee with your elbow. Okay. Spread your knee with your elbow. Yes. Now slowly sit with support of your. You can practice this particular asana, Malasana. No need to worry. And there is one thing is there. If you want to sit in Malasana, you can take a cushion. Okay. Now, just give a nice support on the cushion. Heels mattum vechittu apdiye ukkara vekkalaam. Okay, this is also variation you can do. So you will get nice support on your heel. Gradually you can remove the pillow. Okay. So sit in Sukhasana. Yes. So these all asanas for today for us. It's already 5:12. I am taking more time, right? Sorry. So, for this strengthening our spine, we can make more, more and more and more this all type of spine twisting. And this Tiryak Tadasana I told you, like twisting towards your sides. That is very good for us because in this age, when you twist somewhere, you will get pain on our backside or shoulder somewhere. So you can avoid the practice in this particular asana. Okay. Yes. If you have any doubt, you can ask me now. Please switch on your mic and ask me freely, whatever it is. Any doubt? No doubt about asanas. Okay. We'll go for dhyana, meditation.
Ma'am,
Yes.
ஒரு ஆர்டர் சொல்லுவாங்கல்ல மேம், ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஆசனாஸ் தென் அந்த மாதிரி ஏதோ ஆர்டர் இருக்கா, இல்ல ஃபர்ஸ்ட் நம்ம பிராணாயாமா பண்ணிட்டு அதுக்கப்புறம் ஆசனாஸ் போலாமா?
அது இது கேக்குறேன், what kind of order is there in yoga, right?
Yes ma'am, yes.
Okay. Actually, we always start with a prayer. Okay. So we already done the prayer. So before doing the asana or after doing the asana also, you can do pranayama. There is no any rule. Okay. Asana பண்ணிட்டு அப்புறம் வேணா pranayama பண்ணலாம். இல்ல pranayama ஆனா one rule is there, before doing asana, என்ன asana இருந்தாலும் you should practice warm up. You should do your warm up before asana. That is must. Before doing the asana, because nama neck warm up is most important, because neck வந்து ரொம்ப stiff-ஆ இருக்கும். If you are going immediately jump to the asanas or any kind of exercise, before doing that you should do neck warm up. Okay, so you will not get pain on your back or neck, right? So warm up is most important. Then you can do asana directly. Alana asana பண்ணிட்டு pranayama பண்ணலாம், pranayama பண்ணிட்டு asanas பண்ணலாம். Okay, got it ma'am?
Okay ma'am, thank you.
Thank you. Yeah, that's it. There is not, in some ashramas they do pranayama first, in some ashramas they do asanas first. There is no any rule, but warm up is compulsory. You should do before the asana. Okay, that's it. So can we go for beautiful meditation for 5 minutes?
Ma'am, Jyoti, you just want to ask something? Jyoti ma'am? Ma'am, okay. You can proceed, ma'am.
Yeah. After the session, we can take a session, ma'am, for question answering. Fine, ma'am. So whoever wanted to stay back, they can stay back and ask questions. Okay. So we'll go for Om meditation. Omkara mantra. Omkara mantra is a universal mantra. Everyone knows first sound in the planet. Universal mantra is Omkara mantra, right? So it's a very powerful mantra. Omkara mantra is a very, very, very powerful. You should chant it in a proper way. Okay. Om is divided in 3 ways. A, U, M. So this is not Om. It's like Om. That's the vibration of M. So when you pronounce M, that vibration should come on your head. Okay. That vibration should come on your head. That is Bhogar. In Tamil ஆச்சாரியா இருக்கு, ரொம்ப பெரிய ஒரு ரிஷி இருக்கு, Bhogar. I think everyone knows about Bhogar, right? Bhogarnath. அவங்க வந்து சொல்லியிருக்கு ஒரு வாட்டி about இந்த ஓம்கார மந்திரா. he is a very respected and very big rishi in one of the all the rishis, most of the, even Mahavadar Babaji is also from Tamil Nadu, the great Mahavadar Babaji. So this Bogarji ஒரு வாட்டி சொல்லியிருக்கு, பாட்டிலே முடியாத ஓம், how can I chant om, how can I pronounce om, what is the importance of om? One Shishan asked to this Bogar, இந்த போகர் மகர்ஷியோட அந்த சிஷ்யன் வந்து கேட்டுட்டேன், நான் எப்படி ஓம்கார மந்திரம் பண்ணும், நான் எப்படி சாண்ட் பண்ணும், இதுக்கு என்ன யூஸ் இருக்கு, what all uses are there, what is the benefits of in this ஓம்கார மந்திரா. அப்போ போகர்நாத் வந்து சொல்லிட்டேன், பாட்டிலே முடியாது, பாட்டு பேசலே முடியாது, பேசியானாலும் வராது, பாட்டானாலும் வராது, நம்ம எப்படி சொல்லி கொடுத்தாலும் ஓம்கார மந்திராவோட பெனிஃபிட்ஸ் உனக்கு கிடைக்காது. You should practice ஓம்கார மந்திரா yourself, then you will get that benefit. அப்போ நம்ம அனுபவிச்சு தான் படிக்கணும், சொல்லி கொடுத்தா புரியாது. அதுதான் இம்பார்ட்டன்ஸ் ஆஃப் ஓம்கார மந்திரா. The great Bogarji சொல்லியிருக்க, he had written one book about this ஓம்கார மந்திரா. Okay, we can go through that afterwards. Okay, so sit comfortably. If you are not comfortable sitting in the floor, உங்களுக்கு வந்து சேர்ல இருக்கலாம், இல்லனா ஒரு குஷன் வச்சுட்டு குஷனுக்கு மேலே இருக்கலாம். The main thing is you should be comfortable. In Patanjali Maharshi, in Patanjali Yoga Sutra, he had written that, stiram sukham asanam, stiramai sukhamari asanam செய்ய வேணும். அதுதான் important. எல்லாமே எப்படி கஷ்டப்பட்டு செய்யக்கூடாது. ஸ்திரம் சுகம் ஆசனம். So you should be sit comfortably for the meditation. One thing is spine should be erect. நம்ம spine வந்து erect-ஆ straight-ஆ இருக்கணும். அதுதான் முக்கியம். You can take wall support also, but head support எடுக்க கூடாது. Initial stage you can take wall support, sit straight. Okay. Comfortable-ஆ இருக்கணும். அதுதான் முக்கியம். Both the hands on your thighs in Chin Mudra. Okay. Eyes closed. Eyes closed. Take a few deep breaths in and out. Breathe in and breathe out. Continuously close your eyes. Breathe in and breathe out. One more deep breath in and out. Concentrate on your breath in, breath out. Just concentrate on your breath in, breath out. Prana flowing inside and prana flowing out. நிறைய தாட்ஸ் வரும், ஆனால் அந்த தாட்ஸ் கூட நிற்காது, திரும்பி வரீங்க, நம்ம தியானத்திலேக்கு திரும்பி வரீங்க. Let the thoughts come and go. Be with your meditation. Come back to your meditation. Do not.
Ma'am, video off ஆயிருக்கு ma'am.
Yes, I made it off, ma'am. So
Okay.
you can hear it properly. So you just follow my instruction. That's it.
Okay.
Close your eyes. You should not look at the video. Close your eyes till I am telling, or you can open your eyes. Okay. Continue. Concentrate on your breath in, breath out. Let the thoughts come and go. Thoughts வந்து push பண்ணி வெளியே தூக்கிடாத. Let them come and let them go. Come back to your body. Come back to your meditation. Take a deep breath in and complete exhalation with all the negativity, all the toxins out. One more time, take a deep breath in. Exhale completely. Concentrate. We can start Om chanting 21 times. Chant with me. Open your mouth and chant. Vibrate the Omkara mantra around your room and surroundings. Be with your Omkara mantra. We can start. Slowly concentrate on your breath in, breath out. Do not open your eyes. Feel the vibration of your Om chanting. Feel the vibration from your brain, from your head. There is no worries and there is no tension on your face and body. You have completely relaxed. The divine the spiritual divine from the universe. It's inside you. Drop of energy you got from chanting Omkara mantra. You are the universal power. You are the energy. Feel the energy and feel the vibration. Come back to your body and mind. Come back to yourself. Concentrate on your surroundings. Voices coming from outside. Accept all. With this beautiful state of mind, we can bless the entire planet. Continuously close your eyes. Both the hands in Namaskara Mudra. Close your eyes. Hands in Namaskara Mudra. Join your palms. We can bless the entire planet. Om Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Loka Samasta Sukhino Bhavantu. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Rub your palms, rub your palms. Cover on your eyes. Feel the energy. And slowly and gradually you can open your beautiful eyes. The beautiful smile. You are going to maintain this smile all the time. Thank you all. This is the end of the session. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you. Om Namah Shivaya.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you.
Ma'am, this is the first time I'm doing yoga.
That is power of yoga, ma'am.
Ma'am, Padma Priya, ma'am, shall we have the order?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Joy is the simplest form of gratitude. I would like to call Mrs. B. Batmavati ma'am to deliver the vote of thanks.
Thank you, ma'am. Good evening, ladies. On behalf of our management, I extend a hearty vote of thanks to our chief guest, Mrs. Veena Sanuj. Thank you, ma'am, who spared the time to make our soul happy, enlightened our minds, and surely be going to encourage us in our future events. I would like to extend my beloved thanks to our participants from various institutions, government sectors, faculties, and students of RVS CAS for making this session as a grand success. Once again, I thank one and all. Thank you.
Thank you, ma'am. Thank you so much.
Thanks a lot, ma'am. Thanks. Thanks a lot.
Thank you.
Dear
Thank you, ma'am.
participants,
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you. I'm so happy you enjoyed the session. That is nothing because this is the power of yoga. So I request you all to continue this path in this beautiful spiritual journey. Just taste a little bit from this ocean. So you will go behind yoga. That is my humble request. For maintaining your health, for maintaining your body, for maintaining your mind, soul, everything will be happy. This is my humble request for all of you. Thank you for joining. Thanks a lot.
Ma'am, excuse me, ma'am. Good evening, ma'am. Excuse me, Veena, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
Ma'am, I have a doubt. Can I ask the doubt?
Yes, ma'am.
First of all, I would like to thank all the organizers and you for arranging such a useful program. It is a need of the hour, I suppose. It was really wonderful, ma'am. My question is, I have some thyroid issues.
Okay.
Can this be rectified by only yoga, or should I take medications along with yoga, ma'am?
Yes, initial stage you should take medication because otherwise this is if you it is I don't know what kind of hypothyroidism or hyperthyroidism, whatever thyroid problem deficiency you are facing or increasing anything, you have to take medicine first. Okay, along with the medication, you should follow the yoga. So Malsyandrasana, there is Malsyasana is there, and bridge pose, all the contracting your neck postures and expanding your neck postures. All these asanas will help you to reduce your, support your thyroid or granthi. Okay. So this is very helpful. I am experienced with yoga. I actually I had this problem,
Okay.
thyroid problem. So 100% I can tell that with the medication you can go to yoga. You will definitely you can face the result.
Okay. Thank you so much.
Yeah, initial stage you should take the medication. Otherwise,
Okay.
no, it will increase. Yoga, it's like Ayurveda and yoga will take time to merge your body. It will take time.
Okay.
Sadu Dirgha Kala Dhairendra Satkara Sevido Dridha Bhumigaha. Patanjali Maharshi said in chapter 2 in Yoga Sutra. Dirgha Kala Dhairendra Satkara Sevida. That means the long term practice only will help. In whatever you are doing, if you are doing any work or anything, you have to, for that particular extract, you have to practice more and more daily basis. You will get definitely you will get the result. Okay.
Okay, ma'am. Thank you so much, ma'am.
Okay, ma'am.
Yes, ma'am.
We wind up the session. Thank you, ma'am. Thanks a lot.
Thank you so much, ma'am.
Thank you,
all.
ma'am. Thank you.
It was a beautiful session.
BJ ma'am.